Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: dating a partner who has experienced relationship trauma. Whether you're new to this situation or looking for guidance, we're here to help you navigate this journey with empathy and understanding. Relationship trauma can affect anyone. It stems from past experiences where trust was broken or emotional pain was inflicted. These experiences can create emotional scars that affect how your partner interacts with you and others. Recognizing the signs of trauma can be the first step toward building a healthy, supportive relationship. Trauma can manifest in various ways, such as trust issues, emotional withdrawal, or even a fear of abandonment. You might notice your partner becoming anxious in certain situations or having difficulty opening up. It's important to remember that these reactions are not about you. They're a reflection of past experiences. So how can you support your partner effectively? Start by listening. When your partner feels comfortable enough to share their feelings, give them your full attention. Show empathy and validate their emotions, even if you don't fully understand them. Trust is a cornerstone in any relationship, but it's even more crucial when trauma is involved. Be consistent in your actions and words. Small gestures, like keeping promises and being reliable, go a long way in rebuilding trust. Sometimes, the best way to help your partner is to encourage them to seek professional support. Therapists can provide a safe space for your partner to work through their trauma. If they feel comfortable, you might even suggest attending a session together. Patience is key. Healing from trauma is not a linear process, and there will be ups and downs. Be patient and give your partner the time they need to heal at their own pace. Celebrate small victories together, and don't rush the process. Supporting a partner with trauma can be emotionally taxing. Remember to take care of yourself too. Engage in activities that recharge you, and don't hesitate to set boundaries when necessary to maintain your well-being. Dating someone with relationship trauma can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity to grow together. By showing empathy, patience, and support, you can help your partner heal and build a stronger bond. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video